Hi, Adam, Blackpool Boiler Installations. Quick video just to show you thermostatic radiator valves fitted and how they work. Ideally, all radiators should have thermostatic radiator valves on, bar one, but that's for a system design point of view. Radiator valves basically are perfect for turning the system up and down and balancing it perfectly, so you don't have to heat rooms up that nobody stays in. It really will help save on gas, and radiator valves do stick and become broken after 7 or 8 years. So if you've got older valves, it's a great idea to get thermostatic radiator valves on. So take a look at these and we can certainly fit them if needed. So here's a thermostatic radiator valve, or TRV as they're known. You can see they come in a nice chrome valve and they are numbered. You can just turn them down very easily to whatever you choose. Go right down to 0 so the radiator doesn't come on. And obviously if you're not in the bedroom or nobody sleeps there, you don't need to have the radiator on. You could just have it on number 1 just to tickle over. And obviously the more spaces that people are in, you can have it turned up on 5 or number 4. So it's really good to adjust the system, to tweak the system, and to make sure that you're saving as much energy as possible. So they're your thermostatic radiator valves. So if you need new TRVs or you want new TRVs, they are relatively low cost per radiator. It's well worth just ticking a box and adding those on.